latest and most detailed coverage of motorcycles from around the world, dirt, street, and everything in between. If you're passionate about motocross, trail riding, and high-revving performance, today's video is for you. We are taking a deep look at the newly refined 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250, a machine that has earned its place in the 250 cubic centimeters class for its sharp handling and rock-solid reliability. In a class dominated by fierce competitors like the Yamaha YZ250F, the Kawasaki KX250, and the KTM 250SXF, the RM-Z250 continues to fight for its share, and in 2025, Suzuki has made a few smart moves to keep it competitive while staying true to its core identity. Let's dig into what makes the 2025 RM-Z250 stand out and where it fits in today's ever-evolving motocross landscape. A legacy in the 250 class. The RM-Z250 has been a staple in the motocross world since its introduction in the early 2000s. Known for its crisp handling, balanced chassis, and affordability, Suzuki's 250 cubic centimeters four-stroke has long been the bike of choice for riders who value control and confidence over brute horsepower. Over the years, the RM-Z250 has gone through multiple evolutions, with major changes coming in 2019. That's when Suzuki gave it a new frame, updated suspension, and enhanced electronics, including the Suzuki Whole Shot Assist Control System, or SHAC. However, the bike has faced criticism in recent years for lagging behind in areas like electric start and top-end power. In 2025, Suzuki hasn't done a full redesign, but they've made targeted improvements in response to rider feedback and competition demands, all while maintaining the platform's proven strengths. Styling and ergonomics, bold and race-ready. Visually, the 2025 RM-Z250 stays loyal to Suzuki's iconic yellow and blue factory color scheme, with fresh graphics and sharper plastics for a slightly more aggressive look. The bodywork is slim, the lines are clean, and the shrouds and number plates have been reshaped for improved airflow and aesthetics. Ergonomics continue to be one of the RM-Z250 strengths. Riders will find the cockpit extremely neutral, with a flat seat, wide bars, and slim radiator shrouds that make it easy to move around on the bike, whether you're scrubbing over jump or railing a rut. Suzuki has also refined the seat foam for 2025, offering better long moto comfort without compromising feedback. The peg bar seat triangle remains compact and aggressive, suiting a variety of rider sizes and skill levels. Engine performance, sharp, reliable, and tunable. At the heart of the 2025 RM-Z250 is a 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC single-cylinder engine, largely unchanged from recent years but now featuring updated ECU mapping and revised intake ports for improved throttle response and mid-range torque. The bike still revs quickly and has a strong bottom to mid-pull, making it an excellent choice for tight, technical tracks and riders who love sharp throttle control. Peak power remains competitive, though not class-leading. Suzuki has kept the focus on usable, linear power delivery, which is ideal for improving lap consistency and rider confidence. While some riders may still wish for electric start, which remains absent in 2025, Suzuki's decision to prioritize weight savings and simplicity keeps the RM-Z250 light and nimble. The kickstart is easy to operate and has proven reliability in race conditions. Electronics, smart tech where it matters. One of the standout features Suzuki brought to the 250 class is its SHAC system, Suzuki Whole Shot Assist Control. This launch control system is still present in 2025 and continues to offer 3 selectable modes for different starting conditions. Mode A is optimized for hard surfaces. Mode B is ideal for softer starts or slippery tracks. Mode Off disables assistance for full manual control. For motocross racing, where a good start can mean everything, this feature gives the RM-Z250 an edge, especially for riders who race competitively on local or regional circuits. Additionally, Suzuki includes easy tuning options with their MX Tuner 2.0, which connects via a smartphone app and allows riders or mechanics to fine-tune fuel and ignition maps with precision, a feature that helps bridge the tech gap between the RM-Z and its more high-end European rivals. Suspension and handling, razor-sharp and refined. When it comes to handling, the RM-Z250 continues to shine. The bike has always been praised for its cornering precision, and the 2025 model builds on that reputation with retuned KYB suspension at both ends. Up front, the KYB coil spring forks have updated damping for better small bump compliance and improved stability on rough braking zones. The rear KYB shock also sees minor internal updates for more consistent rebound and less harshness on landings. While the settings are still aimed more toward intermediate to advanced riders, the feel is more forgiving than in previous models. The aluminum twin-spar frame and swing arm remain unchanged, continuing to offer a perfect balance of stiffness and flexibility. The overall weight remains around 233 pounds without fuel, making it one of the lighter bikes in the class when accounting for the lack of electric start. Braking and controls, confidence and precision. Suzuki has made slight refinements to the braking system in 2025, including a new front brake pad compound for better initial bite and fade resistance. The 270mm front rotor and 240mm rear disc provide strong stopping power, and the feel at the lever is both responsive and predictable. Levers, grips, and switchgear remain familiar and race-ready, with minimalist controls that reduce distractions. There are no ride modes or traction control here, and that's intentional. The RM-Z250 is designed to be pure and focused, giving riders full command over their performance. Who is the RM-Z250 for? The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 is built for riders who prioritize cornering precision, reliability, and race-proven simplicity. It's especially appealing to amateur racers and club-level competitors looking for a machine that's ready to go out of the box, privateers who want performance without the premium cost of Austrian or European models, intermediate riders looking for a machine that helps build confidence without being overwhelming. While it may lack the bells and whistles of some of its rivals, like electric start or a hydraulic clutch, it makes up for it with rock-solid dependability, lightweight handling, and a truly connected feel. Pricing and availability. Suzuki has always priced the RM-Z250 competitively, and 2025 is no different. The MSRP comes in at approximately $8,099, undercutting many of its Japanese and European competitors. That price point makes it extremely attractive for those on a budget or building their first serious race setup. The bike is available now at Suzuki dealerships across North America and select global markets, with a variety of accessory options including graphics kits, skid plates, radiator braces, and other race-specific add-ons. Final thoughts: a pure racer's machine. In a world where motocross bikes are getting increasingly complex and tech-heavy, the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 continues to hold its ground as a focused, mechanical, rider-centric machine. It may not top the spec sheet, but what it delivers is predictable, rewarding, and competitive, especially for riders who know how to extract the most from a sharp-handling chassis and a responsive motor. Here at Bike Updater Pro, we see the RM-Z250 as a reminder that pure riding feel still matters. It's the kind of bike that forces you to sharpen your skills, hit your marks, and improve your lap times, not because the electronics are doing it for you, but because you're connected to the machine every second of the ride. Outro. Stay tuned with Bike Updater Pro. That wraps up our deep dive on the 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Bike Updater Pro, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future updates. We'll continue covering the latest bikes from every discipline: motocross, street, adventure, and more. Let us know in the comments, is the RM-Z250 still a worthy contender in 2025? Would you pick it over the YZ250F or KX250? We'd love to hear your take. Until next time, ride fast, ride smart, and stay updated with Bike Updater Pro.